For the second partial project of math, we are gonna teach some tutoring to Andrea Lozano. The team members are Lulu Candanosa, Leal,
Yes.
and Alejandra Garza, and we are going to explain her some word problems that she doesn't understand.
Okay, well, Andrea told us that she is having trouble with inequalities in word problems. Okay, in this tutoring session, we will try to explain Andrea the topic of inequalities. We will use the method of using the problems she got wrong in her activities or the ones she didn't totally understand, and we are going to explain it to them. Well, to begin this tutoring session, we will try to explain an easy problem of inequalities to get the basis ready and basic concepts out of the way. The problem is a company rents an electric move for $150 plus $20 per hour of use. Mario needs to cut some trees in his garden, but he cannot spend more than $350. What is the maximum time he can rent the mover? Okay, first we gotta get off the way the basic signs of inequalities, that it's greater than, less than, greater than or equal than, or less than or equal than. These are like the basic idea. And okay, first they are telling you that the electric move is $150, so you put it here. After that, they are telling you that it's plus $20 per hour you use the move, so it's plus 20, and you add an X because you don't know how many hours it's going to happen. And then they are telling you that he cannot spend more than $350, and that symbol is this one, so you put the symbol and you add the 350. Well, you have to find X, so you put 20X equals than 2000, because you rest these two, you subtract those two, and the answer is X greater than or equal than 10.
Okay, so now we're gonna explain it here to solve your doubts. First, if you read the problem, where it says that it wants to have greater than 1,500, so you write here 1,500, and you said that you invested 8,900 at 5.5%. So you have to change 5.5% to decimals, and then you multiply the 8,900 times the decimals, and you get these plus the X of the interest that you want to be paid, and you change it to decimal, so you make an inequality. So you have to solve for X, so you press these subtracting and then these dividing, and you get that X is greater than 11,800.
Alright, so now we have to make the reflection part of this video, so I'm going to ask you, what do you think about responsibility? What is that for you?
I think that responsibility is like making yourself work, like you have the responsibility to give your homework and give it on time, so you have a good grade.
Okay, what did you learn with this tutoring?
I learned how to solve word problems and make the equation of inequalities and to solve it.
Alright, so after this time of tutoring, do you feel like we clear your doubts? Do you have anything else you want to ask us?
I'm free of doubts. Thank you.
Right,
I did understand.
did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yeah, it was fun for us too.
I think it was a good activity because we had the chance to interact with students from second semester. I had to review the topics before the tutorings because I didn't really remember all. The topic we explained to the girl, Andrea, was word problems. I think it's one of the most difficult topics, but the tutoring was good in general because she was patient and also we were, and she understood us.
With this activity, I learned the importance of being a senior student in high school. which is helping younger generations understand their subjects and topics. I also like how our educational system is using its activities to help each generation get closer to each other.
Hi, well, I think responsibility is really important because right now when we're in high school, we don't have a teacher behind us and we need to manage our own time. Also, I feel like this activity really helped this second semester student to understand because sometimes it's easier to understand from a student, from another student, than from a teacher. And I learned that working in teams and giving tutoring sessions can be really helpful also in our semester. So it will be like a good idea to implement it also in sixth semester. Thank you.